This course is for those who never have been to repairing. This course has been designed by an experienced teacher and researcher from Pakistan, and for those who like to start their own business. Welcome to our mobile phone repair course. Basics start here. A montage of various mobile phone repair tools. Soldering iron station close-up of its tip and controls. PCB stand holding a circuit board is shown. Solder wire used to connect components. First, you'll need the right tools. Here's a soldering station. Close-ups of other tools. Thinner applied to clean a PCB. Jumper wire used to bridge 2 points. Various cutters, blade, point, nose displayed. Thinner cleans, jumper wire connects. Cutters perform various tasks. More tool demonstrations. Screwdrivers, T6, T5, T4, plus, open a phone. Tweezers manipulate small components. A brush cleans dust from circuit board. Screwdrivers disassemble, tweezers handle parts, brush cleans. Focus on testing and diagnostics. A multimeter tests continuity on a PCB track. A blower removes an SMD component. Multimeter tests circuits. Rework station helps with SMDs. Power and cleaning tools. A battery booster charges a battery. An ultrasonic cleaner cleans a PCB. Boost batteries. Ultrasonic cleaner ensures thorough cleaning. Advanced repair tools. A BGA kit is used to reball an IC. A magnifying lamp provides a close-up view. BGA kits and magnifying lamps for complex IC work. Tools for opening and power. Case and screen openers disassemble a phone. A regulated DC power supply provides controlled power. Open safely, DC power supply is useful for testing. Soldering aids. Liquid flux applied to a PCB. Paste flux used during soldering. Solder paste shown. Flux aids soldering. Solder paste is another option. Cleaning and desoldering. A file/ready/cleaning sponge cleans a soldering iron tip. Desoldering wire removes excess solder. Narration. Keep the iron tip clean. Desoldering wire removes unwanted solder. Final tool overview. A screwdriver kit is displayed. A good screwdriver kit is essential for any repair job. An exploded view of a basic mobile phone highlights the fascia and back fascia. Let's identify the phone's basic parts, starting with the outer casing. Internal components display the internal fascia, HADI, and ringer/loudspeaker. Inside, we have the internal structure and the ringer for sound. Sound components show the speaker/earpiece and microphone. The earpiece lets you hear calls, and the microphone lets you speak. Vibration and light components display the vibrator/motor and LED. A vibrator for silent alerts and LEDs for illumination. Connectors show the charging connector and headphone/earphone connector. Connectors for charging and audio. Data and power components highlight the data cable connector, battery, and battery connector. Data transfer and the phone's power source. SIM and memory components show the SIM card connector, memory card, where you store your information. The camera and input display the camera connector, keypad button, and keypad carbon, for capturing images and user input. Keypad and control components show the keypad connector and on/off switch, connecting the keypad and powering on the device. Display and connectivity components highlight the display connector, and antenna. The screen for viewing information and the antenna for signal. The PCB is shown with its various sections. The printed circuit board is the heart of the phone. PDA is shown, personal digital assistant. Antenna switch emphasized, vital for network connectivity. If fails, network inaccessible. The PFO, crucial for network signals, filters, and amplifies network frequency. Next, the RFIC, handles transmitting and receiving audio and radio signals. 26 MHz crystal oscillator, essential for generating frequency needed for outgoing calls. The VCO, sends time, date, voltage to RFIC, crucially creates frequency. The RX filter, key role filtering frequencies during incoming calls. TX filter's function lies in filtering frequency for outgoing calls. ROM loads the current operating program essential to phone operation. RAM plays role in managing commands for mobile phone's operating system. Flash IC houses the mobile phone software, critical component. The Power IC distributes battery power to all mobile parts, essential for function. The Charging IC channels current from charger to battery efficiently. RDC aids in the operation of the date and time functions on mobiles. CPU stands as the controller of all mobile phone sections. Logic/UI IC manages ringer, vibrator, and LED functionalities in phones. Audio IC ensures proper control over both speaker and microphone components. Chip resistors are tiny, crucial for controlling current flow. Network resistance is found in any section. Non-electrolytic capacitor filters DC current. Electrolytic capacitor filters and stores current. Network capacitor is found in any mobile phone section. Coil filters and decreases current and voltage. Boost coil increases current. Speaker and microphone give a beep when tested with multimeter. Resistance and diode beep when faulty. ICs are complex components. Two main types, leg type and ball type. Leg type IC counting is done in anti-clockwise direction. Ball type IC counting is done in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Unit of current is ampere and voltage is volt. There are two types of current, AC and DC. AC current reverses direction. Example, power substation. DC current is in one direction. Example, battery.